The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to receive a substantial upgrade with the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset from Qualcomm, slated for release in October. While not officially confirmed for the S25 Ultra yet, the timing strongly suggests its inclusion. Leaked benchmarks for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 indicate impressive performance with a single-core score of 3,500 on Geekbench. This surpasses the A17 Pro score of 2890 for the iPhone 15 Pro and matches the rumored performance of the A18 Pro for the iPhone 16 Pro, marking a significant leap in capabilities. Furthermore, reports from Samsung Galaxy suggest that the S25 Ultra will benefit from faster UFS 4.1 speeds, promising quicker boot times and overall improved performance. Regarding battery life, sources like Digital Chat Station suggest that Samsung is developing phones with larger 5,500 mAh batteries to support the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, potentially offering longer battery life compared to the current 16 hours and 45 minutes of the S24 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is known for its advanced camera system, featuring a 200-megapixel main sensor and 100-megapixel space zoom sensor. Rumors surrounding the S25 Ultra hint at further enhancements, with LeakerTech_Reeves suggesting upgrades to the primary and telephoto lenses, potentially increasing the ultra-wide lens resolution from 12-megapixel to 50-megapixel. Tech_Rev accurately predicted the S24 Ultra's upgrade from a 12-megapixel to a 50-megapixel telephoto lens previously. Leaker ISAQDS81 mentions variable capabilities for the telephoto lens, allowing smoother zoom transitions between fixed focal lengths like 4x to 5x and 6x to 7x zoom. There's some debate over the camera setup, with ISAQDS81 suggesting a reduction to 3 cameras by removing the second telephoto lens, while Ice Universe contends that the S25 Ultra will retain 4 cameras and possibly upgrade its 3x lens. These potential camera upgrades have garnered considerable anticipation. Thank you for having me in this video. If you like what you saw, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing by hitting the button below. Your support means a lot. Peace out.